This company is very large in Thailand and they import their glass from Japan. I'm not sure where their films or plastic come from, but they kindly offered to do an installation at the massive Mobile Expo in Thailand. And as you can see, they did a very good job, excellent job indeed. I'm pleased they did it and not me, but I'm sure by watching this video and other videos on Whitestone, you could do it yourself. Also, you could contact them directly to see if they will supply overseas. The cost is approximately $30 plus shipping, but if you mention my name, who knows, they may give you a discount. Be nice to think they would. I just got back from the Thailand Mobile Expo. It's an enormous show where screens were the flavour of the day as phones are becoming more expensive and the glass screens are curved and much more difficult to buy a good protector for. I've just had one installed from this company called Gorilla. Excellent company, excellent service, and I'm very happy with this. It's been about a week now. It works, I guess, similar to Whitestone. The glass is perfect, as you can see, no dust. And let me just show you on the touch. If I do this, good way to test the sensitivity of any screen. You do this all the way along, and like, oops, I was outside the line there, that's why it didn't work. That was my mistake, not theirs. And as you can see, I missed the line there. So if I do it again, and it works perfectly. Let me just show you close up. I'll turn off the screen so you can see. And how do I get out of this thing? Okay, I have no idea. Right. Anyway, so I'll show you with the screen on. Oh, I'll turn it off. Voila. So you can see very, very good installation. Perfect. Looks as good as new. Fingerprints about the same as the original glass. And the good news is, if you look at all these, it fits all my cases. That's the key, with no problem. I'll put it in my Samsung Alcantara, like so. Perfect fit. The edges do not come up, and you can now see how good the installation is. I believe this one works better than most because you can see the glass doesn't go right to the very, very ends. Just a little bit in it, but it does stop the cases lifting up. I love this screen. mainly because it's matte, no reflection at all, and no fingerprints, absolutely none. It's brilliant, no loss of touch sensitivity. Comes from the same company, Gorilla, and you can see it's perfect on any case, but it doesn't work with the Note 8 or any phone with a pen because it will leave indentations. But very good. You don't notice any difference in looking at the screen other than there's absolutely no glare, no reflections whatsoever, and it fits the case 100% perfectly. Thanks again for tuning in. Hope to see you soon.